It is essential with the Gloria 505T that daily and weekly checks are required for safety and efficiency. One of the basic checks is on the Lumark 80-degree flat fan nozzle. This has to be checked for damages to avoid an interrupted flat fan and spitting, which will give an uneven application of insecticides. You have to conduct regular checks to the secondary filter, especially with wettable powders. Also check the condition of the brass lance, making sure that there are no splits or cracks. Where the lance meets the trigger housing, check the seal for leaking of products. On the primary filter, you must check daily if you're using wettable powders, as this filters out large particles. Carefully remove from the primary filter base to clean easily with soapy waters. Once these checks are carried out, check the condition of the hose for any splits. If there are, you must replace before carrying out any further work. The pressure vessel also requires constant regular safety checks. Check for splits or any cracks on the cap, especially the funnel, to avoid leakage. Inspect the pressure release button and the pressure gauge. Moving on to the pump mechanism, which is used to pressurize the vessel. Check the seals for any leakage of air. If there is leakage, remove the pump mechanism and check the seal for damages, or making sure it's correctly tightened, and it's worth noting that the seal has to be lubricated and the housing is not over tightened. After carrying out these checks in the vessel and it still isn't pressurizing, inspect the O-ring for wear in the pump assembly. And if it still doesn't need replacing, the problem is more likely to be at this end. This allows air to be pressurized into the tank but will not allow it to escape. Take the nut off and there is a small seal on a brass holder that will need to be replaced. It's a very simple procedure and that should cure the problem. It's important when you put the pump housing back into the tank to be very careful not to cross-thread it. At Killjam, we strongly recommend you carry out these checks before use. For further information on equipment maintenance courses, please visit our website.